Hey, and welcome to Alpha 1. For the second time today, we will run binary option robot Alpha Master. You can download this robot completely for free also. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions at all, put them below the video. Also, make sure you see to the end of the video, because there I will show you all the trades and the profit and all this good stuff. But now, let's start up Alpha Master. And there we have it. We did the now 6 trades. We won 3 of them and we lost 3 of them. But as you smart again, we made money. So our profit is $134. So that's pretty amazing. You can download this robot also. Just push this robot thing you see up here right now, or just use the link in below the video. But for that, have an amazing day.